Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. As you can tell, I'm well into Christmas card making mode and I'm having lots of fun making my Christmas cards. I absolutely adore making them. So this was a sweet little card I made today called Jingle Jingle Jingle, mainly because I like how the words sound said fast one after the other. Now this is a very tonal card, this one. This is Soft Succulent and Evening Evergreen. And I stamped the outside in Evening Evergreen and then the inside in Soft Succulent. And the backing paper is actually Lights Aglow. It actually has a little bit of gold foiling in it. There you can see it catches the light, which makes it ever so pretty. This is the stamp set, Jingle Jingle Jingle. And I've used these two jingles here, but you could use Jolly or Believe or the little Santa hat and all sorts of lovely Christmas goodness there. So I've got everything set up in my Stamparatus. This time I'm going to do a red version, so I'm stamping the outline here in Cherry Cobbler. So let's do that. Jingle, just like that. And then I'm going to move the stamp up. I know I could move my Stamparatus lid up, but I don't think I'm going to get it to where... Actually, maybe I am. I wasn't sure if I'd be happy with it in there, but actually I am. So I'm not going to move anything. I'm just going to use the nice Stamparatus to do my job for me, which makes life really simple. There we go, jingle, jingle, jingle. So I'm going to remove that for a second so that I can take this lid out, close up this ink pad before I put something in it, and give everything a really good clean. Just like that. Put this back in. I like being able to take the lid off to clean. I find it much easier that way. So let's put this back in here, and we're going to use the inside now. So bring back our sentiment, and then you can just spend some time lining this up because you can see through the die. It makes it ever so easy to line up. I'm sorry my head's in the camera, just needed to line that up. And then for the inside I'm going to just go a shade lighter with Real Red. There we go. And then again, we don't need to line this up because we are just going to use the Stamparatus, so everything will remain lined up perfectly because it's wonderful like that. There we go. One more go. Oops, too high up this time. There we go. Really simple. And I'm just going to take this off. I just put it down with a little bit of seal so it will stay in place. And as you see, it comes off really easily. Jingle, jingle, jingle. So set that aside.